Scon Design India Private Ltd is a reputable company that offers comprehensive land surveying services in Chandigarh. As a leading provider of surveying solutions, Scon Design has a team of experienced and highly skilled surveyors who specialize in government land surveying projects. With their expertise and state-of-the-art technology, they are able to accurately measure and map land areas for various purposes, including infrastructure development, urban planning, and land administration. The role of a government land surveyor in Chandigarh is crucial for effective urban development and land management. These professionals play a vital role in ensuring that land is properly surveyed and its boundaries accurately defined. This information is essential for legal, financial, and administrative purposes. By conducting detailed surveys, government land surveyors provide accurate data about the size, shape, and boundaries of land parcels. This information helps in resolving property disputes, determining land values, and facilitating land transactions. Scon Design India Private Ltd understands the importance of precision and accuracy in land surveying. Their team of surveyors uses advanced equipment and software to collect and analyze data with utmost precision. They employ techniques such as GPS-based surveys, total station measurements, and digital mapping to ensure accurate results. By utilizing these modern technologies, Scon Design ensures that their clients receive the most reliable and up-to-date land surveying services. If you are in need of a professional and reliable government land surveyor in Chandigarh, look no further than Scon Design India Private Limited. With their expertise in land surveying, Scon Design India Private Ltd has established itself as a trusted name in the field. Their team of highly skilled and experienced surveyors is well equipped with the latest technology and tools to provide accurate and precise surveying services. As a government land surveyor, Scon Design India Private Ltd understands the importance of adhering to strict regulations and guidelines set by the government. They have extensive knowledge and experience in conducting surveys for various government projects, including infrastructure development, urban planning, and land acquisition. Their team ensures that all surveys are conducted in compliance with the legal requirements and deliver accurate results. Scon Design India Private Ltd takes pride in its commitment to delivering high-quality surveying services to its clients. Their team of professionals is dedicated to providing efficient and reliable solutions to meet the unique needs and requirements of each project. They are equipped with advanced surveying equipment, such as total stations, GPS receivers, and laser scanners, to ensure accurate measurements and precise mapping. With their extensive experience in the field, Scon Design India Private Ltd has successfully completed numerous government land survey projects in Chandigarh. They have earned a reputation for their professionalism, attention to detail, and timely delivery of services. Their team of surveyors is well versed in the local regulations and procedures, which enable